You can ask me why I have Sultan cap, because I will cook Sultan's recipe for you. I will cook from 15th century and 16th century from Sultan Suleyman kitchen. It is really unusual food. Can you imagine? I will stuff honeydew melon with meat and with a lot of ingredients. It is really very nice recipe from Sultan's kitchen. You can feel yourself when you eat like a sultan. What we need cooking Sultan's recipe: honeydew melon, 200 gram beef, minced beef, you can cut on hand, rice, boiled rice, small size onion, some butter, salt, raisin, dry thyme, rosemary, roasted almond, pine nuts, red pepper and black pepper. It is very rich. We have too many ingredients because it is Sultan dish. Must be rich. After ingredients, I'm going to cut my melon. It is okay. We cut our melon. Here small cut. Here big cut because I would like to clean inside. Okay, clean as like this. And the important one is, please don't deeply. I will show you. 1 minute. Okay, look, it is not very deeply. So I take melon, some, not all. I take some melon on side because after we cook, we stuffed all these ingredients in the melon. So look, now I want to cut it for a good presentation for my guest. You can do as you wish, like this. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. And it is looking nice, right? Our melon is ready. I'm going to take it in the oven, just 15 minutes, 180 degrees. It's going soft. So when our melon in the oven, we can start to cook our onion and meats. Just chops onion, very small piece. Olive oil, some olive oil, not too much. Looking for my onion. Minced meat, small one. You can cut it as like this size. You see? Okay. So I'm going to wait my onion. I need some more time because our onion color must be as like a pink. Okay, so our onion is ready. I take my meat, not all. I told you, for one person, it's me, for one melon, 200 gram is enough. If you are cooking Turkish food, you must have some butter. When my meat cooking, I would like to cut rosemary. You can add our rosemary. I cut it very small chunks. Now I would like to add pine nuts. It is roasted. Raisin. I like it. I like the raisin in the melon. I have a dried thyme, but if you have fresh one, it is much more better. Red pepper. I don't like chili pepper. If you want, you can have a bit of chili. I'll mix everything. Now I understand why Sultan Suleyman is Sultan Suleyman. Don't forget this black pepper, very important for our tasting. I think you feel how it smells, because I add too many ingredients inside. At the end, salt. Please don't add salt first, because your meat can have a tighter. If you add it after, it is much more better. I add 3 pinch meat. So, last touch, I have some boiled rice. I add it. I keep my all ingredients on fire just 2 or 3 minutes, and after it will be ready. Now I'm going to take my melon in the oven. I have some melon juice I add in my ingredients. Okay. Hasan eldiven almamız lazım. Finish. Now I will stuff in melon. It is looking nice. Smell nice also. I want to take some more. Of course, presentation is important. Do you remember? I take some melon, I share it. What I'm going to do it. I want to melt some batter. Color. And you can add my stuffed melon, my Sultan's recipe ready. Now I'm going to eat as a Sultan.